There are many different types of scanners available and at varying price levels. Starting with flatbed scanners, and these are primarily used for scanning in photographic prints or other printed material. Dedicated film scanners, these can scan in film material from 35mm right up to 10x8 sheet film, and that will include transparency, black and white negative or colour negative. For the small office or home environment, then a multifunctional device will give you the best of both worlds. It will scan in film, it will scan in printed material, and it can also be used as a fax machine. At the very high end, we have drum scanners, and these are mainly used by repro houses or colour houses and professional photographers, and these will give you the ultimate in quality for your scans. Many top-of-the-range flatbed scanners also have a built-in transparency unit, and this will allow you to scan in film, including mounted 35mm slides, 35mm strip films and large format films. Although at first scanners may seem very complicated, they're no more difficult to operate than your average photocopier. Of course, the scanner's main advantage over a photocopier is that we can scan in photographs at a very high resolution, capturing all those fine nuances of detail. So exactly how does a scanner convert your photographs into a digital file? Let's take a look. The scanner uses a removable strip light, which consists of 3 light sources, RGB, that stands for red, green and blue. These lights reflect back from the photograph onto a CCD array, that's charge coupled device. And it's this reflection that creates the pixels which make up your photograph. So let's take a look at the various parts on a flatbed scanner. Although most flatbed scanners work in a similar way, many will have their own unique features. For example, this scanner offers several quick scan options, including scan to PDF, and that's portable document format, scan to email, scan to printer, and a start button. The start button by default starts the scanning software, but can also be assigned to launch any compatible application such as Photoshop or Paintshop Pro, etc. More advanced scanners may not offer the same features, but what they lack in automation, they make up for with high-quality scans. This scanner just has a power button and a start button. The rest is controlled by applications and the scanning software. I'll be using the Epson V750 for all my demonstrations, but most of the content will be applicable to the majority of scanners currently available. In terms of construction, the scanner is very simple. The base unit consists of the CCD array. This is the moving part that captures the scan. Photographs or other printed materials are placed on the glass surface, also known as the platen or document table. The scanner's lid has a white surface with a sponge backing. This mat presses against the photographs or document to keep it perfectly flat, thereby ensuring the scans are sharp from corner to corner. Many of the more advanced flatbed scanners also offer a film scanning capability, and this will scan in 35mm film, medium format or large format sheet film. And for this you're going to need a transparency adapter. On many scanners, the lid also doubles as a transparency unit or film scanning adapter. Simply remove the white mat to reveal the LED scanning light. This will now transmit the light through the film material that's been placed on the glass surface. Depending on your scanner model, you may have several film holders, which include mounted slide holder, 35mm strip holder, medium format film holder, sheet film holder, and a film guide mask. The last item gives you the facility to lay uncommon film sizes directly onto the document table surface. I'll cover film scanning in depth in another chapter. At the rear of the scanner there's a carriage lock switch. Lock the carriage if you're moving the scanner to another location, and this prevents damaging the delicate CCD array. Current scanners use the USB 2 port, although some may include a FireWire 400 connection. The transparency unit takes its power from the base unit and the power cable plugs into the rear of the scanner. The things to look out for when purchasing a scanner are the optical resolution. Generally, this will be in the region of 3200 to 6400. Be cautious of flatbed scanners that claim a higher resolution. Usually, this will be an interpolated resolution. This means that the scanner software will make up pixels based on adjacent pixels. The result is usually a big file with mushy sharpness. Most flatbed scanners have a fixed focus lens, which in most cases will provide excellent results. Look for high quality optics. Generally these will cost a bit more, but the end result will be well worth the investment. Many scanners may include extra software such as Silverfast. This scanning application is excellent and produces very high quality scans, especially when scanning film. But don't be tempted by masses of bundled software. In my experience, they generally don't live up to expectations.